Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to show you my brand new Glossybox. I have not opened it yet. Here is the proof. So let's do it. Okay, so each month you get 5 items in your Glossybox. Let's see what they are this month. By the way, I'm really shiny today, and that is not highlighter, that is just sweat. Okay, let's get this bad boy open. Ooh. So the first item we have is a beauty blender by Sophia and Mabel. I don't know who they are, but I do need a beauty blender, so I'm pleased with that. Then we have a lip gloss by Laritzi. This isn't a great shade for me, so I think I'll give this one away. Ooh, this I'm very into. This is by Ciate, and it's a dewy blush. Let's attempt to put it on. That's cute. That's really cute. Here it is. I'm very into this product. Look, I love it. Next up, we have a photo finish primer, which I'm really excited about, and it's 30ml, which is really generous. Then finally, we have a perfume by Avant. This is called Persian Sunset. It's very sweet. It is very pretty. It's not necessarily my taste, but I think a lot of people are going to love it. So that is this month's box in its entirety. My favourite item has to be the Ciate, but I do quite like the perfume, and I'm very excited for a new beauty blender because mine is filthy.